A few things you can do as a healer to make extra money. You can apply it to any healing modality. You're doing energy healing, Reiki, shamanic healing, massage. Maybe you're teaching yoga, or maybe you're a hypnotherapist or coach. Working locally and working one-on-one becoming more and more difficult. You know all that. So you have to find ways to digitize your knowledge, your skills, and that will help you to create extra income. You can use your knowledge and experience to write books. It doesn't even have to be full size, big book. It can be smaller workbooks, how-to guides, manuals. What do your clients usually come to you for? Can you describe that process in writing and take them step by step through this process? Of course, they're probably not going to get the same volume as when they come to see you in person, but can you take at least some part of it and put it in writing? How to install a good habit, how to set better goals, how to create a more positive attitude. It can be a coaching program, 30-day workbook to more positive outlook. And then you take them day by day, one step at a time through the process. You can share your work protocol with other practitioners, describe your process, and here you have a manual. You can sell these books of your own website. You can publish them on Amazon with Create Space. You can sell them as instant download on Etsy. You can offer those books right off your social media profiles. You can even set up a shop on your Facebook business page. Another stream of income could be audio and video classes, healing sessions, or courses. And those you can sell off your website or off courses hosting platforms. Use the same material from your book. If you write a book, you will already have organized all your material, and you can use that as a base for your video classes or courses, because you already done all the work, organizing it and putting it all into sensible order. Another stream of income would be audio recordings of meditations or hypnosis, if you have that skill. If you're a hypnotist or you are meditation facilitator, you can create a very substantial income stream just by selling your audio recordings. You can offer them on your own website. You can sell them through Payhip, Gumroad, or you can set up a shop in the Dropbox. But when you're just starting out and don't have a big following on social media and you don't have lots of clients, I suggest you start selling those recordings through Etsy, because Etsy already has lots of traffic. Set up a shop and offer your meditations or hypnosis sessions. You can also transcribe your meditations and hypnosis sessions and sell them as scripts. There are two in very high demand right now. Each of the things, books, workbooks, courses, classes, your audio recordings or scripts, have potential to grow enough to create a full-time income for you. You can pick the one you like and go all in, or you can try all of them. If it's a completely new field for you, it's like starting in a known territory. You're not familiar yet with the climate. You don't really know what will grow well. So you try different things. And once one season ends, you'll see what pays the most. Then it will be obvious where to focus all your efforts and energy. If you are the healer struggling to bring in enough clientele to make enough money, join our community on Facebook. We discuss this topic often. You'll find the link in the description box. Money has always been a very sensitive topic for healers. It seems that people that choose to help others as their profession struggle with their finances the most. But your work is so important. You deserve to prosper.